Today I am testing out this transfer pump. This could be used for gas or oil or any other liquid. It has a directional that shows you the bladder, which just pulls air to pump it out. This is great for your small engines to change oil on them. Lots of the time there isn't a spigot, so you have to do it like this. Or if you're storing them for the winter to pump the gas out, etc. I'm going to try it here on this generator. You can see there's all the oil right there. I have my drain pan right here. Comes with good sized tubing, and it does come with a copper connector if you need to extend the tubing as well. They are in different lengths. I put the shorter length on the pickup tube and the longer length over here. It also comes with this little clip that cinches up. You can see how it's adjustable right here, and then you just put it on the tube, and then you could connect this into a bottle. Just push this on so it doesn't get on, so it stays clipped in. I'm going to go ahead and submerge the hose into the oil, give it a couple pumps, and see how well it works. All right, let's just give it a few solid pumps. You can see the oil over there. Whoa, only needed one pump really, and it flowed it right out. That was impressive. You can see it coming out the other side right here. Really cool. And that's even with this being lower. If you're on gravity, look at it, you're just able to extract all that oil super easy. This is a helpful tool. You could use this on cars for changing differentials, etc. Yeah, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.